As I stand here looking at the sky and the rain, it reminds me of an old memory. One time when I was going to U of H, I stood outside those massive towers, looking up at the sky, watching the rain. Edit that. 3, 2, 1. Standing outside in the rain, feeling it hit me as I looked up at the sky, marveling at the thunder, and marveling at the beauty before me. This is truly what we needed here in Texas. Nothing like a bunch of rain. And to prove I'm outside, that's a roof. So technically I'm under a roof, but I'm outside of a building. I'm outside putting myself on the line for this footage. And my phone too. Definitely putting the phone on the line for the footage. Is it worth it? Who knows? 2 mosquitoes. Or something. Oh no, don't go in there. Don't go in there. That's a nest. That's a rat's nest. Oh, spider nest. Spider web. You're gonna die. Like that one. That one died. He stands alone, waiting for his compatriots to come if they ever will. Bum 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 bum. Oh my gosh, I'm in the rain. Rain, rain, I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. Just singing in the rain. Alright, there's no longer a dry spot on here. Gotta call it a day for now. Peace. This has been Thoughts from Places, maybe? Oh. Okay, and 45.